Tonight is the night that you can see all the 7 planets together. This is planet Venus. Lower than that is the planet Saturn. A little bit lower than that is the Mercury. And then Neptune is around here. Uranus is here. Then you can see the Jupiter that is there. And then further that way toward the east is the planet Mars. So we can see all of these planets tonight. And this is a rare opportunity to see all of them in one night. Okay, Neptune and Uranus, you need a telescope for seeing them at the moment, all the time, of course. For Saturn, probably also you need a telescope. It's very weak, close to the horizon in a way. This is my lovely Questar field scope. I put it on a small ultrazoomed mount. This is my little Questar 3.5 inch field scope. I put it on the ultrazoomed mount for the, I think it's Skywatcher Heritage 104 Dobsonian tabletop mount. And I'm using Panoptic 24mm, and I want to look at the planet Venus, which is now visible along the 7 other planets that we can see tonight. Of course, Questar is a Maksutov telescope. We are using it to see the planets, especially. This is good for that target. Using this telescope is a joy, practically. This is the change between the eyepiece, the level it changes from the eyepiece to the finder scope, easy. Then when you find it easily, you just flip it and it comes to the eyepiece. And the planet Venus is a beautiful crescent. Let me try to see if I can show you. And it is so nice. We just flip up a button, this level, you just have a bar look. 24mm changes to 12mm. Focal length, and it magnifies the planet. I wonder why nobody has ever, copied this in any telescope in a different way. You can just have this system. They're just too, cheapskate. This is now with the zoom, SVBony zoom 3.328. And also with the SVBony zoom and the Televue adapter for this older style field Questar. This is the setting of the between 8 and 7. Amazing view.